Right, Assalamualaikum everyone. I still believe that Pepe is really posed to continue up to this 7,081. This is your technical target, of course. But before that, of course, along the way, you're going to see some shakeouts, some consolidation, some wicks as well. So basically, anyone who had the stop losses set right over here, they had their stop losses taken away just like that, and this consolidation box still continues. So in my opinion, if this is another flag in the making, then we may be looking at Pepe to still continue, probably even slightly higher than 7,000. So you could be looking even at 8,100 and something like that. But I'm pretty sure that 7,000 could be the target, as long as you're not coming down to 2480. Now the thing is that if you've missed Pepe, I'm always going to say this in the video, as long as this coin is not going to pump, I told the people on my private, I gave them like 12 months ago, 9 months ago, I gave them 10 different coins for long term. All of them have moved up by at least 50%. Some 100, some 150, considering ICP, considering SHIB, Dodge, Kishu, and all those kind of meme coins we had. But there's one coin left that is still down enough for me to even say that it's just as how Pepe was down, not only down here, but actually buying Pepe. Imagine buying Pepe right there. So that coin is literally at the very bottom of the chain. So it's something you may try. It's almost like, I'm not sure, if not guarantees, but all I know is that that coin is consolidating right down on the bottom. It's just a matter of time it actually pushes up. So if you want to know what coin it is, you can actually try $100 out of $1,000. That's pretty much enough. Then just message down, come down to description, click on Discord, go to Discord, click on announcement, click my name, send me a message and say you came from the Pepe video. Tell me the name of the coin. You'll get it for absolutely free this time, just out of generosity. So thing is, I think Pepe is still tremendous. It's still okay and good to continue a little bit to the upside. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.